Hi guys, this is me, KwaZulu-Natal. So here's a combination of videos and images taken between UMzimkhulu, Underberg and Kilmun, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. One thing about these places, they scream nature, and the oxygen is amazing, right? Like it is amazing. They provide peace of mind and very good for your mental health as well. But I'd like to tip you, if you want to travel around those places, right, just make sure that you get all your your essentials. Just shop at the big cities before you leave the big city. For the small towns, you better just buy everything, because at the small towns everything is limited. And also something I have noticed with the small towns is like, okay, when you're around these places, the small towns are super far, so you have to drive like long distances. So if you want to travel to these places and be at peace, rather shop for everything that you need, and then just make sure you have everything so you don't drive up and down like for things that you need. Otherwise, all is good. Traveling is beautiful. KZN is beautiful. And I'm hoping to travel the whole country very soon. I really hope to these places with a lot of nature going on. Honestly, that's what I'd really love to do soon.